Hey guys, my name is Megan and I will be speaking to you about Canary Mail. So Canary Mail is an email management application. We have over 1 million users around the world and are top ranked among Apple and the Google App Store. So we are a email management application. You don't have to create your own email with us. We use your current existing email, so your iCloud or your Gmail, and we integrate it with your current existing email. So more recently, we have been doubling down on Gen AI, and users absolutely love the features that Canary has been putting out there. So the first thing we have done is using AI to write emails, reply to emails, and summarize emails with AI. So let me show you an example. So let's say you want to send an email to Tanya about an event, and you want to reach out to founders to get on board. So this is how you do it. So you just open Copilot. We say, okay, cool, Tanya, we want to do this event, and you tell Canary kind of like a short summary of what you're wanting. So you get it typed out. You give a prompt, and then the Copilot, Canary, writes a proper formal email for you. So as you can see, it takes seconds to do what used to take minutes. So you also have control over stuff like tone, length, and you can also customize the language any way that you want. Now, let's say you send the email and you get a response back from Roy and Sid, and they reply pretty quickly. So by the time you look back into your email box, you have quite a few emails to go through. So in this situation, it would be pretty useful for you to be able to kind of get a summary rather than having to scan through manually the email chain. So if you just click on summarize this conversation, you'll see that Canary simply generates the summary for you. It's not just one email it scans the full conversation and gives context, all context for you. So that's on the writing and conversation side. We're also working on a smart conversational AI assistant. So, there's a lot of information in your email inbox, and the traditional way of searching is to try and pick out the right keyword and see all the emails that show up and then sort through the ones that you want. So what if you can simply just ask the question and get an answer? So for example, what time is my flight on Thursday? Or maybe you want to know how many bills you have due this week. So you just type in, hey Canary, how many bills did I receive this week? And Canary should be able to give you an answer. So we actually are going to take this a step further, and we also want users to be able to perform actions from this. Why this interface? So, in the similar vein, let's say you want to archive all of your bills from last week. So you just simply say, hey Canary, can you archive my previous bills related to invoicing last week? And Canary should be able to do that for you. So this is something that, we think is a really next generational way of using AI and managing your email inbox, and builds on a lot of Gen AI concepts. We do indexing, and we go a lot further. So building on that, we intend to deliver a really powerful inbox experience. So we're also using Gen AI to better prioritize. So let's say that Roy replies to you quite frequently. But does that mean that every single reply deserves a response? And, maybe not. So with Gen AI, we can be pretty intelligent about what emails we want to respond to. So we can cipher through emails and say, hey, does this email actually require a response from us? Does it require an answer to the question? And only if so, does Canary add it to your list of pending replies? So it really saves users a lot of time and focus attention on things that really are needed and are of priority. So yeah, that is a pretty quick overview of our very comprehensive application. And if you would like to try Canary, if you would like to give us some feedback, we would love to hear it. So please reach out to us, and hope you have a fantastic day.